This is a tutorial on how to use MeshCam to produce usable G-code from a Grayscale Depth Map. If you don't have a Grayscale Depth Map, you can Google search images and find plenty to choose from. Let's use the USMC logo that we find right here. Let's save it into our folder so we can pull it up in MeshCam. Now we load the image into MeshCam. We set our X, our Y, and our Z dimensions. This determines how big our logo is going to print. Now we determine whether black is positive or negative in our image. It takes very little time for the image relief to appear. Notice that the image is a little rough. We can smooth it out right here. Now we define our stock. I'm going to add about an inch all the way around it. Now you set program 0. The blue line indicates the z-axis of program 0. Let's set program 0 to the bottom left-hand corner. This is where you can set the maximum cut depth. I'm going to add a few millimeters so that I can cut all the way through my stock and into my spoil board. It's time to generate the toolpath. Let's add a new tool first. MeshCam recognizes all ends, flat ends, and bullnose ends. MeshCam also does the calculations for you when you switch from inch to millimeters or back to inch. You can define the toolpath parameters yourself or use the automatic toolpath wizard. The program determines the type of geometry you're milling and optimizes the toolpath for that type of machining. It determines feed rates based on the default tool values you placed in your tool. Click OK to begin the calculations. Calculation times vary based on the complexity of your image. This looks like a big mess, but what it has done is create 4 passes. You have a roughing operation, a waterline finish, a parallel finish, and a pencil finish. This is the roughing pass. This is the waterline pass. This is the parallel pass. This is. When you're finished looking at them, select all 4 again and click Save Toolpath. After going through all these post-processors, I have determined that Turbo CNC version 3 is the one that works best for our machine. Select it, click OK, give it a name, and you're done. Now you just need to load it into your GCode sender of choice.